Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool truck, man. I love this thing. 1985 Dodge Ram 150 Royal SE. Killer truck, guys. All original, 84,000 original miles. I mean, it's just an awesome, awesome truck. Not a whole lot you can really pick on. If you're looking for an original truck to jump in, turn the key, and just drive, you're gonna love this thing. Of course, I'm a Mopar nut. If you watch my videos, I love the Mopars, and I love these trucks. Had several of them over the years, and you just don't see them. And like I say, this one's original paint, original drivetrain, you name it. I mean, they put new tires on it, some little things like that, but it's just an awesome truck. Matter of fact, I just drove it. I just went to buy a car, and I jumped in it and drove it to buy another vehicle. But great truck, factory. This is a factory color, factory interior, and just a little sweetheart, man. I mean, you just turn the key, point the direction, and go. Great, great truck. Chrome and stainless is very nice. Truck's out of Missouri, originally out of Missouri, and I think it spent some time in Texas. Look how nice this thing. It's just a gorgeous truck. It's got the original paint, so there's some things you can kind of pick at. But man, I wouldn't have it any other way, man. This thing is awesome. Original bumperettes, like I said, the chrome is in great shape. Paint shines. I mean, it looks like $1,000,000. Solid, straight, never been a rusty truck. Glass is nice. It's got the dual chrome mirror option. Power windows. This thing's a little baby doll. Look how nice the bed is. That's original. Somebody has loved this truck. Rear sliding glass. Again, you can pick some few little things. I wouldn't touch it. Turn the key, drive it. I'm assuming that was probably a little dealer tag that was on it at one time. Look how nice all this stuff is. Great truck. How nice that thing is down the sides. Micheline rubber all the way around it. It's got the factory wagon wheels on it. You can see the dual exhaust. Just a little baby doll. Original 318 two-barrel truck, factory air blows cold, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got cruise control. Of course, these have electronic ignition. I mean, bone stock underneath the hood here. They haven't done anything. Automatic trans. You can see all the original tags are still in place. Heck, instead of buying a new truck, jump in this thing. Nice thing is, these don't go down in value, they go up. I mean, just a slick truck. Yeah, there's your Texas sticker. We've got a bunch of paperwork that goes with the truck. I'll make sure I get a picture posted of that. Again, dual chrome mirrors. All the glass is nice. door handles. I mean, it's killer 85 Dodge. Power windows. Look how clean this thing is. Like I say, somebody didn't own this thing. They loved it. Look how nice that interior is. Very comfortable. Like I say, I just drove it to buy a car. Really hits the road good. Headliner's nice. Tilt column. Factory steering wheel's in great shape. Look how nice those gauges are. 85 580 on it. Radio, they put an aftermarket Kenwood radio. Blower motor, everything like that works. Of course, I put the new floor mats in it. Great truck. Dual exhaust, factory rear axle. Turn the key and go. That is just a great truck. Clean as can be underneath. I mean, look how clean this thing is. I mean, it's just a great truck. And like I say, it'll roll down the road at 75, 80 mile an hour just like it should. Maybe just kick your air on, like I say, it blows cold. Great truck. This has got that iconic brand emblem on it. All your gauges are functional. Good old pressure. Backup lights work. Making showing your power windows work. Radio works, blower motors works. Doors just shut like they should. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.